Hey guys, I'm Steff and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill. Before we begin, make sure you click on the subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Today I'm going to be showing you how I style my new little pixie cut. Well, it's not very new. I did this about towards the end of May, so it's been about 2 months that I've had this. I recently went to get a trim, as you can see, and to get it bleached again so that it is the platinum color. I personally do not like to bleach my hair like every month. Like I'll wait a good maybe 8 to 10 weeks in between bleaching. I might have my hairstylist just go ahead and tone it. And then when I feel like my roots have grown out enough, then I'll go get it re-bleached. Now for today, I'm just gonna take you step by step on how I style this little pixie cut. It really is super, super easy. It's the easiest haircut you'll ever have in your life. Now I am starting off with a clean head of hair because I did wash it last night when I took a shower, and I always use some type of purple shampoo every time I wash my hair. And to be honest with you guys, I usually just stick to washing my hair twice a week. If I need to, then I'll go a third time. But for the most part, I wash it twice a week. And for sure, once a week, I'm using this Paul Mitchell. This is the Platinum Blonde shampoo. It is a purple shampoo, as you can see right there. I need to clean this bottle, but I've been using the shampoo for years. Whenever I do a platinum look, which has been pretty often over the last 6 years, I've always used this shampoo and I've always had great results from it. I typically buy this from Ulta Beauty. Of course, you can buy it wherever Paul Mitchell is sold. You do get 10.14 fluid ounces. I want to say the price on this is probably about $15, but everything that I'm using, if I can link it, I will link it in the description box down below. So in case you guys have a new platinum due or a pixie cut, you all can check it out. So what I'll do is I'll lather it up and I'll leave it on my head for about maybe 2 minutes, and then I'll wash it off. You don't want to leave it on for too long because your hair can absorb some of that color. But for me, that I have short hair, leaving it on for 1 or 2 minutes is the perfect amount of time, and it helps to take the brassiness out of the hair. It helps to keep the hair with that nice cool tone platinum look that you originally got from your hairstylist. So I've really been loving it. Then I'll follow up with a conditioner, and this is a conditioner from L'Oreal. This is the EverPure sulfate free conditioner. This one is for blonde platinum hair. It is a lighter shade of purple. Let me see if I can squeeze some out there so you can see. So as you can see, it's a lighter shade of purple. It's not as deep, dark purple as the shampoo is. And that's fine. I'll put a little bit of this, like a quarter size of this, on the palm of my hand, and then I'll lather it all over my hair. I'll usually leave this on for 30 seconds to a minute, but this also helps to keep the brassiness away. I also like to use, like, this is a second shampoo I use throughout the week, so I'll use this one once a week. This is the EverPure sulfate-free shampoo. It is the same color as the conditioner, so it's not as dark as the Paul Mitchell one, but it still works great, and it doesn't strip your hair of the color that you paid so much to get, right? So I've bought these like at Walmart or Target, Amazon, pretty much at any grocery store, drugstore, you'll be able to find this brand, this line. I've been using the EverPure line, the sulfate-free line, for a long time. And even when I have like red hair or my natural color, I do reach for the other versions of this EverPure line. I think it's just a really great line of shampoo and conditioner, and it doesn't break the bank. Now, as soon as I get out of the shower and I towel dry my hair, I go in with another Paul Mitchell product, and this is the Platinum Blonde. This is the Blonde Toning Spray. This has been working so well for me. I recently discovered this about a month ago. Yeah, it's been about a month, and I bought this in store at Ulta Beauty. But with my hair damp, I just spray this all over, and then I'll either blow dry my hair or I'll let my hair air dry, as was the case last night because I just went to bed. But I do find that this has been working to keep some of the brassiness away. Brassiness is something that unfortunately is going to be inevitable unless you're bleaching, toning your hair like every couple weeks, which I don't recommend that you do that. There is going to be some discoloration occurring throughout or in between your coloring process. So by using these purple shampoos, these purple products, you really help to kind of prevent it as much as possible. And I have seen a difference, especially by using this spray that I got, but unfortunately it is bound to happen. So now that I've shown you guys some of the first few products that I use before I go in and start styling my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I blow dry it. And then I'll show you the products that I use or how I flat iron it and the products I use within the styling process. So I just have a water bottle here, and I'm gonna spray my hair a little bit, mainly just this part and this back part right here where my hair kind of sticks up sometimes. And this next product is a recent find for me. This is the Living Proof. This is the Restore Instant Protection Weightless Heat and UV Protection. I got this in, I think, my BoxyCharm from last month, and you can use this on wet or dry hair, which is what I like. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of it on, mainly on this top part right here. Now, when you're working with platinum blonde hair, it's always a good idea to use either clear products or to use products that have a purple tint to them. That is also going to be something that helps to keep the brassiness away. So now I'm just going to go in with this little PYT blow dryer. I got this in a BoxyLuxe last year. I haven't been using my full size blow dryer. I do have a Dyson that I love to use, but since I don't have a lot of hair and it doesn't take very long, I just reach for this little travel blow dryer. I keep it here in my drawer, and it's just easy to take in and out and plug in, and it gives me a nice even dry. Now, while I'm blow drying, I'm moving the hair forward because this is how I typically style my hair. This is how it begins versus me pushing it back. So now that I've completely blow dried my hair, it's time for me to start flat ironing it. I have two different flat irons that I'll interchange with each other. They were both free. Well, actually one was given to me as a gift, and the other I got as like a free gift with purchase in one of my Macy's orders. So let me show you the one that's not plugged in, that I'm not using today. This is the one that I got from Macy's. As you can see, I think it's only about 1/2 inch. It's really small. It does a great job. It heats up really well. I haven't noticed that it damages my hair or anything, and it does kind of like have like rounded plates on here. I like it. It's very lightweight, and it was free, and it works. So sometimes I'll use this one. The one I'm going to use today, I think this is a BaByliss one, and I want to say one of my friends gave it to me. This is a little bit smaller, and since I have shorter hair right now, this is the one that I use. It is on right now, but you can see the plate size really is small. And if I bring it over here, well, maybe they're about the same. What do you guys think? To me, this one, the blue one, looks a little bit smaller, but I do like this blue one though when my hair is a little bit shorter like it is today. Before I start flat ironing my hair, I put on this little heat resistant glove that I got with one of my curling wands, just because I'm always burning myself. And since my hair is so short, I do need to touch it while I'm styling it, and this just helps to protect my hand. So what I'm going to do is I usually start back here, and I just curl in. This back part, curl in, curl under, I should say. And I don't need to leave it on there for too long. It usually gets the little curl pretty quickly. Now up here towards the front, sometimes I'll curl it the opposite way. That to where it's kind of gonna spike up or curl back. Here. I have a natural part to my hair right here. My hair always goes to the left side. My hairstylist cuts my hair. She always takes that into consideration, especially when I'm doing like I have longer hair. There really is no wrong or right way to style a pixie cut. And it's just a matter of the look you want to create. You want it spiky? Do you want it more curled? Right now, I don't have too many options because it is on the shorter side. But when it does grow out some, I can definitely spike it up more. I can have more of a curl to it if I like. But I usually do this front part towards the back. Sometimes I will style it when it's and bring it down kind of where it like bangs. But I don't always know if that's the most flattering on me. Like, I don't know, maybe I'm just used to seeing myself with it going like away from my face. But yeah, this is about it. This is the extent of me using the flat iron. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, there's only 2 styling products that I'll use, and sometimes I use them together, sometimes I just use one on its own. But this is actually a product that my hairstylist gave me. This is from the brand Aquage, and I really love this brand. This is the Transforming Paste Lite, and it comes in this tube, and it is a clear product. You just need to squeeze out a little bit, and then you can run it through your hair and kind of move it and texturize it as you will with your fingers. Another product that I like, this is from the brand KENRA Platinum Texturizing Taffy, and you'll notice that this does have a lavender tone to it. So like I said earlier, you want your products to either be clear or to have a light purple tone to them when you're working with platinum hair. This one is a little bit heavier, so usually I like to go in with this on day 2 or day 3 of my look. So I'll start off with usually just the Aquage one, and then today I'm probably not going to be using the KENRA texturizing paste, or I might, just to show you guys how it looks. But for now, I'm going in with the Aquage, warm it up in my hands. First, I slick down the sides of my hair. I kind of just bring it forward. Then I just start scrunching it through my hair at the top. I try not to flat iron anymore once I have this paste on. And again, with a pixie cut, there's no right or wrong way. No hair is ever going to be perfectly in place. It's supposed to look tousled. It's supposed to look messy. Sometimes I'll bring a little bit down right here. Now let me take a little bit of the KENRA, slick down my sides again. You're just kind of adding definition and texture to certain pieces of the hair. Now what I like to do is go in with a little bit of texturizing hairspray. This is from the Sexy hairline, and this is the High Tide Texturizing Finishing Hairspray. This is great. I've loved this hairspray when I had longer hair, and I love it now that I have short hair. It really helps to give you kind of like those beachy waves that just got back from the beach look. I really love it. All right, guys, so this is how I style my pixie cut on a pretty much everyday basis when I have it short. Like I said earlier, I just got it cut a few days ago, so it is shorter than usual. I just have her go as short as possible just because my hair grows pretty quickly. But these are the steps that I use. These are the products that I use. Literally everything that I use on my hair, I showed you guys today, from the tools to the products, and how I style it. Sometimes, again, I will just bring it all to the front and kind of wear like a little bit of a bang look, but I prefer more of like this tousled, spiky kind of do. I just feel like it complements the features on my face a little bit better, but to each their own. You wear your hair however you feel the most comfortable. Now, if you're considering cutting your hair, I went from having shoulder length red hair to having this, and I made the decision pretty much within a week. And I made the decision mainly because I was just bored. I was bored with my hair. I wasn't doing anything with it but putting it back in a ponytail. So what's the point of having long hair if it's always going to be pulled back? Might as well have a short, fun do that you have to fix every single day, that you can really make look different every single day, and it's really just gonna be a breath of fresh air into your life. Like, I look at myself in the mirror, and at the beginning I was like, oh my god, I'm a little nervous, like what did I do? But I had my hair like this before in the past. It had been several years ago, but now that I've gotten over the initial shock, I wake up every morning and I can't wait to style my hair. I love to style my hair, and I love to do my makeup even more so now. I just love how my makeup looks with this haircut. I love how my clothes look with this haircut. I just love everything about it. I love the color, the cut, everything. My hairstylist, she always does such a great job. And that's another thing, guys. You need to find a hairstylist that is going to work with you, that is going to lead you in the right direction when it comes to cut and coloring, and what exactly is going to complement the features of your face. And guys, I just want to leave you with this last point. This is just hair. Hair will grow back. Hair comes and goes. It takes on different forms, whether it be straight or curly, different colors. But at the end of the day, it belongs to you. It's your hair, and you do whatever you feel is best for it. If you want to go a short pixie cut, platinum pixie cut, go for it. If you want to do it long and green, go for it. It's whatever is going to make you feel the most beautiful. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.